Good morning, and how are you today? This is Dr. Roseanne Gonzalez with Superpower Self Care. I thought I'd take you to some of these activities that I compiled together for you to acquire. So, if we can go through it and I can talk you through it, these are ways to relieve any type of anxiety, nervousness, any type of stress. Okay, let's do this. Now, this activity is called the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding exercise. Okay, when you're feeling that anxiety and stress, you just find a quiet, comfortable space, and let's begin. Now that you're in a quiet, comfortable place, it could be at work, at home, outside, I'd like you to focus on 5 things that you see around you, whether it's a desk, a chair, a garden outside, your children playing. Just focus on 5 things that you can see. Yes? Got this. Now you should feel that anxiety and stress begin to alleviate. I'd like you to think about 4 things that you can touch that are immediately around you. Whether it's a pen, a pencil, the chair you're sitting on, think of 4 things that you can touch and bring that anxiety or stress down. Got this. You should be feeling a little bit better too now. That tension is alleviating, right? I'd like you to think of 3 things you can hear at this point. As you sit there in calm and comfort and are realizing with your senses what's around you, what can you hear at this moment? Children playing, people working, a radio, a TV, your headphones. What are 3 things that you can hear right now? You got this. Now we're almost to the end of our exercise, and here's where you try to focus even more. Close your eyes and try to smell 2 things around you. Yes, it's awkward at times, but if you're outside and someone's cutting the lawn, do you smell the fresh grass being cut? Do you smell anything coming from the air? Someone cooking. Sometimes I can smell that someone is drying their clothes. What can you smell? 2 things that you can smell at this time. Got this. Now we're at the end of our exercise, and I'd like you to keep your eyes closed. What at this point can you taste? 1 thing that you can taste. Is it this morning's breakfast, coffee, a mint, gum? What can you taste at this point? Got this. Now that that tension is relieved, whatever the situation was that got you to this point has long been forgotten, I hope. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding exercise is something that I do periodically when that tension really builds up. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'd like to do a few more of my activities that I have compiled together in 2 packets in my Stan store. So feel free to go and check those out. I do have a free checklist also on happiness and joy. So check it out, please. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Dr. Roseanne Gonzalez. It's been nice being here with you. Those of you that are new, thank you for joining me. Those that would come back, you're welcome, welcome, welcome to come back always. I appreciate it. You know why? Because you are amazing. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.